Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Are these drawers recognisable? Of course they are. They are the IKEA MALM M-A-L-M set of 4 drawers. I have 2 sets of these 100 by 80 4 drawer units, and I constantly have a problem with something jamming when I open the drawer. It is this bar here. This here somehow pops out, blocking you opening the drawer. The amount of times this has happened, I can't even count. So I'm fed up. I am going to show you today how to fix this issue once and for all, so that your drawers don't keep getting jammed. It's not your clothing that's jamming them, it's this bar. Now this fix is so easy and so cheap. So for the grand total of £2.99, I got this here as a pack, a drawer repair kit from Amazon for £2.99. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to remove this bar here altogether. Because this is the issue with these drawers. Next, we're going to make sure that the ply at the bottom is in the grooves. So make sure, push it all in. Once they're in, place one there. One in the middle and one the other end. Place one at the front of the drawer, in the middle, and the edge. Now it's time to screw them in. So make sure you push the back forward, make sure it's fully in. And screw it in. Push it forward. So now you can see that isn't going to move anywhere. The bottom of the drawer isn't going to fall out. So how amazing is that? £2.99 will fix your IKEA drawers. Now I don't know why IKEA doesn't supply this little kit with the drawers rather than that bar. Maybe it's because they want you to go back to the store and purchase another unit. But these here are so cheap. I got 100 screws. I've got 100 fixing blocks for £2.99. Amazing. So don't throw out your IKEA drawers yet. You might be frustrated with them. Try this. Easy fix. Now guys, if I have helped you today in any way, please can you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you like the video. And thank you for watching. Bye.